Hi everyone, this is Andrea, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you color blocking techniques using Couture gel nail polish. You can see that I've done different designs on each of my nails, and today I'll demonstrate how that's done on my index finger using nail art striping tape and Couture gel polish. I started with a regular gel polish manicure with Couture. I applied a layer of foundation and then 3 coats of Couture gel number 91 Très Chic, which is a bright yellow, and this is a gorgeous spring and summer color. And then I topped it off with a thin coat of top coat and cured it in the light, and I wiped off the tacky layer. So now I have a nice surface to work on. Next, I'm going to use nail art striping tape. It comes in a little roll like this, and you can buy it online or in your local beauty supply store. And I've already pre-cut a few pieces of tape here. So what you want to do is just randomly create a pattern on your nail with the tape, and you want to make sure that it's pressed down very well and that there are no gaps for the polish to get under. You can see I'm using my thumb here to just press into the cuticle area and make sure I have a nice solid bond. So that's one piece, and I'm going to randomly make a few other designs here. And there we have a few random patterns. And the colors that I'm going to use today are High Maintenance, which is a silvery, which is silver with a shimmer. We have Teal the Show. We have $1 Million Tweet. And finally, we have Glam Squad. And I've put a dab of each of these colors onto a piece of foil. Now, I'm going to use a dotting tool just to dot the color onto my nail. I'm going to start with, this is $1 Million Tweet, and I'm just going to dot that onto my nail into one of the areas that we taped off. There you can see we have one square done, and I'm going to repeat the process with a couple different colors. Okay, now you can see I've applied 3 different colors, and before you cure, if you have any polish on your cuticle areas, you can see I do right here, what you can do is take a nice angled brush, dip it in some acetone, and just wipe that off before you cure, just to ensure that you have nice clean lines. And now I'm going to cure this in my UV light for 2 minutes, or you can cure in your LED light for 30 seconds. Okay, so my polish is now cured, and I can still see a little bit of that yellow peeking through in a couple of areas, so I'm going to repeat the process. And I recommend starting, when you do this, I recommend starting with a light colored base, so you can use white, yellow, pink. I recommend using a light base and putting darker colors on top. And you can repeat this process as many times as you need to until you achieve full coverage. Okay, I've applied my color, and I'm going to do a cleanup again. Okay, now that I'm happy with the opacity of my color blocks, I'm going to remove the tape to reveal the lines, and to do this I'm just going to use my little cuticle nippers and pull back that tape. And there we have some color blocks, and you can see I did get a little bit of color underneath the tape there, and this can actually be fixed. I have a little tool here, and I can use this to push some of that color back and just clean up those lines a little bit before top coating. Okay, once you're happy with your lines and you're happy with the opacity of your color, you can top coat it, and cure it and then wipe it off with the lint-free alcohol wipe. And here is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of color blocking. This can be done with a variety of different colors and designs, so have fun!